This right here is a paint shark activity, and my nephew's here. He's about to do it. We're going to open it up and paint them, and I'll show you what that looks like. But this is the box the activity came in. And then let's just look at the back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. And these are the sharks opened. You have 3 sharks here, and then you have 6 different paints. You have blue, green, black, red, yellow, and blue, and a paintbrush. So it has everything included to get started. We're going to go ahead and paint these now and see the end result. So one thing he wanted to do was look at this package for a color reference. And painting the shark now, just like the picture. Okay, and here is the end result. He really tried to paint it like the picture. He's 5, and it took about 30 minutes to do. And I really hope this information was helpful in case you buy this. Hope you have a great day.